Now we're going to graph two inequalities. So this is where I think it's useful to use two different colors. So my first one I'm going to graph in blue. So I'm going to start with plotting -3 on the y-axis. I'm going to go up 1, right 3 to make that positive slope. You can also go down 1, left 3. This is a solid line because it has the or equal to at the bottom. So first of all, we're going to graph just the blue line. So we're either going to shade above or we're going to shade below of that. So I'm going to do a test point into the first equation only. Put 0 in for x, 0 in for y, and you have 0 is greater than or equal to -3. So is that true? Is 0 greater than or equal to -3? And it is, so it's yes. So I'm going to say yes at 0, 0 for the blue graph. So I'm going to shade this side of the blue line. Then I'm going to grab a different colored pencil and I'm going to shade this one with red. So I'm going to graph first. I'm going to plot +3. Then I could go up 5 or I could go down 5, as long as I make a negative slope. So 5/3. This one's a dashed line because it doesn't have a line underneath. So I'll draw my dashed. Then I'm going to plug in a test point for the bottom equation, my red one. Test point. I'm going to test the same point, 0, 0. So if I put 0 in for y and 0 for x, I have 0 is less than +3. Is that true? Is 0 less than 3? Yes. So at 0, 0, I'm going to write yes in red, which means I'm looking at the red line. This whole side of this red line is yes. All, even this down here, everything on this side of the red line is yes. So you have 4 regions. You have this blue region, you have where nothing is, you have where the red is, then you have where the blue and the red overlap. So for this system, the answer is the overlapping part of the red and the blue. So you're going to shade that really, really, really dark. Which means that any point in this section that's really dark will be true for this one and this one. So that's the answer of this system of linear inequalities. Okay, so you're going to do the rest of the worksheet for homework. When you get to the back, you'll notice that some of these are not in slope-intercept form, so you have to take them off to the side, put them in slope-intercept form, use 2 different colors, that'll help you, and then just be aware that when you divide by a negative, you have to flip that inequality. So if it's a greater than, you flip it to a less than. So good luck, and I'll see you on Tuesday.